Wiwi! Ito, maglitang ni! Woohoo! Bigat tuna!
Kamuhi mo. Pantis daw.
Isa mo pagkuhan.
Tabi, tabi.
Araw-araw!
Wala siya.
Tara, naro!
Isa.
Vibrant araw-araw.
Iswag pa dyan.
Nanglitik kaya na. Look! May Tyson sa dagat na.
Hala!
Yuwan!
Dalawa na.
Basta shrimp. You hold the shrimp.
No! Hindi ako na siya makaunda.
What we caught? 3 mantis shrimp. How many did you caught, Rocky?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. What did we caught?
Oh, look, that's a baby one. Oh, that's not a baby one. Oh, Mama and Papa.
Oh man, Papa.
Mama and Papa, so sweet.
Hey! Nakook na ang among shrimp. Mantis shrimp. Di og cook sa tinola.
Nana, it's dead.
It's dead na. So ko kay hinang kayo si Rocket. It's dead na daw. It's not yet dead. It's alive. Now, let's try to eat it, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready to eat this?
No.
Why? This is yummy. Why are you crying? Are you crying? Are you crying? We can't bring this in Cagayan. Huh?
But the baby is so sad. I want to cook it.
Oh no, you don't want to cook this, di ay? That's why you're crying. I'm sorry, I cook it, baby.
I want to watch it. I want to drink it.
You what? You don't like to cook it, di ay?
I don't want to cook it.
I'm sorry. I cook it, baby. Oh, it looks yummy. Let's try it. Let's. Oh, it looks.
No, I miss the baby one.
You miss? Ay, loka.